I will not rest until you score 90 and above in physics. I am up here because of a student that dropped in the comment that should make a video on simple AC circuit. Now in this video I'm going to do most likely questions you are going to see under this topic. If it's your first time tuning, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel because you have a lot to gain. With no further ado, let's get right into the video. Question 1. The current to a resistor in AC circuit is given as 2 sine omega t. Determine the DC equivalent of the current. We have the following options, so let's solve. This current given is what we say to be the instantaneous current, right? And the value I is equals to I naught sine omega t. Okay? Now, from the question, we are giving that same current as 2 sine omega t, right? So what is I naught? I naught is equivalent to 2, which is what? Peak current. And we're asked to find the DC equivalent of the current. That DC is what is said to be what the root mean square of the current. So the peak current is equals to 2 amperes. Then the root mean square, that is what we are looking for, right? So once you see the DC equivalent, don't get confused. It's the same thing as what? The root mean square of the current. Now there's a relationship connecting the root mean square and the peak, and that relationship is what? IRMS is equals to I naught over what? Root 2, right? So let's just put in our values, which is what? 2 over root 2. Now this should have been the answer, but we can't leave a root in the denominator, right? So you have to rationalize by saying root 2 over root 2, right? So this is equals to 2 root 2 over 2, which gave rise to what? To root 2. So my IRMS is equals to root 2 amperes. I hope that is clear. Now if you have a question like this and you had the DC equivalent of the current, the DC is the same thing as what? The root mean square of the current. I hope that is clear. Alright. Question 2. A 2 Henry inductor has negligible resistance and is connected to a 50 over pi Hz AC supply. The reactance of the inductor is what? You have the following options, right? So what are you looking for? You're looking for the reactance of the inductor. What is reactance? Reactance is the resistance offered by what? An inductor, right? And the formula, that is XL, is equals to 2 pi FL, right? Now let's go. Now SL is equals to 2 pi. What is the frequency in the question? We have what? 50, that is times 50 over pi, right? That is the inductor is 2, right? So is equals to 2 times 2 is 4 times 50, right? Now that gave rise what? To 200 ohms. Is that clear? So this is how to solve it, right? It's very quite simple. But if you're asked to find inductive capacitive reactance, that one is SC is equals to 1 over 2 pi FC. So they are not the same. You understand? So don't get confused. Now from what we've done so far, the correct answer to this question is option A. Question 3. In a purely inductive circuit, the current that should we have the following options. Option A, lags behind the voltage in phase by 90. Option B, leads the voltage in phase by 90. Option C, is in the same phase with the voltage. Option D, leads the voltage by 180. You must note about inductive circuit. It's just like it's like this. The vector diagram of an inductor is this way. We have this, right? Now this is the current of the inductor and this is the voltage of the inductor, right? So the current is lagging because it's following what? The voltage. So it's lagging it by 90 degrees or pi over what? 2. Do you understand? So the correct option to this question is option A. Question 4. In a series RLC circuit at resonance, the voltages across the resistor and inductor are 30 volts and 40 volts respectively. What is the voltage across the capacitor? Now we have the following options. This question don't even need solving at all. Reason being that at resonance VL equals what? VC, right? And SL equals what? XC. So the same value of voltage across inductor is equals that of what? The capacitor, right? And from the question, the voltage across the inductor is 40 volts. That makes option B to be the correct answer. I hope that is clear. So if you have such a question at XC, do you understand? So we have capacitive reactance equals inductive reactance. I hope that is clear. All right. In the AC circuit diagram below, the resonance is what? Now we have this diagram. I asked to find the resonance frequency. Now the formula for resonance frequency F naught is 1 over 2 pi root of LC, right? Now this, what are we going to do? What is my inductor? That is L is equals to 8 millihenry, right? 8 millihenry. Now what is this milli? Milli means 8 times 10 raised to the power of minus 3, okay? Now the capacitor is giving us 5 microfarad. What is micro? That is 5 times 10 raised to the power of minus 6. Now in every physics question, if you see something like this, you must change it, right? You can't just solve with leaving this one this way, right? You must change it by converting, because that symbol has meaning. I need to be changed before we solve. I hope that is clear. For us to do that, we are going to say that F naught is equals to 1 over 2 pi, right? Now, what is my L? My L is, I have 3 times 10 raised to the power of minus 3, then times 5 times 10 raised to the power of minus 6, okay? So, this is F naught is equals to 1 over 2 pi, then root of, multiply 8 times 5 is 40. This 40 times, we have 10 power minus 3 times minus 6 is what? 10 power minus 9, okay? Now we can take it off from here to have 10 power minus 8. You understand what I mean? Now this is 1 over 2 pi, the root of 4 times 10 raised to the power minus 8, right? We can bring this out from the root, okay? So this is F naught is equals to 1 over 2 pi times, this is a perfect square, you have 2 times, you divide this by 2 to have 10 power minus 4, right? Then you can take it up, which will give us 10,000, okay, all over 4 pi. Are we clear? See what I did? I have to, this is a perfect square, right? That is 2, right? You multiply by, when you want to find the roots of a whole an even number, just divide it by 2, right? It's going to have this. Is that okay? And by the time we divide, what do we have? 4 into itself 1, 4 into 100, you have what? 25. Okay, so the resonance frequency F naught is equals to 2500 all over what? Pi haze. Is that clear? Now this is how to solve this type of question. Very, very important. Now if you see a question like this is how you are going to solve it. Now from what we've done so far, the correct option to this question is option D. Thank you so much for staying and sticking to the end of this video. If there is still this topic that you need to understand before you write your forthcoming JAMB, drop in the comment section and I'll do just that. If this is your first time to me, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications to get notified each time I post videos. And lastly, do not forget to share so that other students that prepare for this same forthcoming exam can see it and learn from there. I will see you next time in the next one. Bye for now.